Now we will discuss language of a map. Now we will discuss language of a map. In language of a map, we will discuss four main elements, and they are title, direction, key or symbols, distance and scale. Title, direction, key or symbols, distance and scale. Firstly, we will discuss the first element, that is title. With the help of title, a reader can understand what the map is about. With the help of title, a reader can understand what the map is about, or what kind of information has been shared with the help of that map. Now we will discuss the second element of language of a map, that is direction. North direction is shown with an upright arrow marked in the upper hand corner of a map. The north direction is indicated or shown with an upright arrow marked in the upper hand corner of a map. Once we know the north direction, it is easy for us to find out other directions. There are mainly four directions. They are north, south, west and east. North, south, west and east. These directions are also known as cardinal directions. You can see four more directions. They are known as intermediate directions. They are northwest, northeast, southwest and southeast. So direction plays a very important role in the formation of map. With the help of directions, we can easily find out our way. There is a device which is used for finding direction, and it is a compass. The needle of compass always indicates in north directions. So directions are very important for making a map. With the help of directions, we can easily find out our destination, or we can reach to our destination easily. In ancient time, when maps were not there, people used pole star to find out their direction, because pole star always remain in the same direction. It always remains in the same direction, which is north. Now we will discuss key or symbols. Key or symbols, they tells story of a map. So key or symbols, they are also very essential for a map, as they tell the story of a map. There are some definite symbols which are known as conventional symbols. There are so many man-made buildings and features on the earth which cannot be shown in their actual size and shape. That is why a few symbols or key, you can say, are used for showing such man-made features on a map.